Hey guys, this is my review on my RC model helicopter. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Okay, first, this is a pretty good size model helicopter. It's got the on-off switch is right here on the bottom, right where my finger is. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's a 4-bladed helicopter, and it does have working lights. It does have working lights. A light right there, and a light right there. You can turn the lights on and off. The controller, there's not really much to say about the controller, but the controller and just elevator, forward, reverse, right, left, and then battery compartment. And then it's a C-range battery, not a C-range battery, a C-range helicopter. The back propeller only rotates when you go forward or reverse. It doesn't rotate when you go up and down or turn left or right. I got this at my local hobby shop for $58, I think it was. For the time I've had this helicopter, which is about 3-4 weeks now, it's been a pretty good helicopter. There was right here you can see where I cut it off. I cut a piece of the body off because it would hang down and cover part of the landing gear up, and I didn't really like that, so I just took it off. And then right here is where your antenna for your helicopter goes, and that's pretty much it. It is a very good helicopter. Nothing else to say, really. Hope you liked the video. Comment, rate, and subscribe, please. And would like a few more subscribers. Thanks. Have a great day.